Hey guys, just got my spring 2023 FabFitFun box super fast, fastest I've ever received it. Like literally I customized it and a week later it was on my doorstep, and I think I was probably moved up to shipping priority because I am due to renew. Um, but yeah, I was stoked to get it. So beginning with this outdoor roundy, it's a lot bigger than I was expecting, which I realized when I saw the spoilers, but when I saw it floating around in surveys, I expected it to be smaller. But it's a nice little microfiber, has a cute little lace border, and I really like this orangey color for spring. And then I chose the sprinkles baking cups because I do a lot of baking and I like reusable silicone things. And this was just kind of a practical item that I knew I would use, and so I chose it. You can see they're all in there. Sprinkles brand. I'm excited for that. And then I chose for category 1 the Kate Spade cat eye sunglasses. They come in a little green dust bag, Kate Spade, and right off the bat they're just a little thicker than I was expecting, so good quality, good size. I'll have to try them on and see how they look on me, but just first impressions, good quality, good Kate Spade. And this was actually one of my add-ons, was the Glamnetic eyeliner for those lashes and the Flex hairspray. Those were the only two things I got on the add-on sale, and I think both wound up being sold out, so I was excited I actually got them. And then I got the 2-pack of the Hanky Panky. I just got the standard size pair. I was like just before the cutoff, so I decided I would get that. Now you can see the stretch they have, and I think that's their standard line because they feel good, and I've read a lot of rave reviews on them. And then I got the Katie Kime berry bowls. I was excited to see that these had a good amount of weight to them. They weren't like that bamboo plastic mix. They're actually porcelain and a nice shiny glaze. I liked the colors, and I knew that berries are one of the main things I associate with spring, so I knew this would be a good choice for me. This is the larger one, the blue is the smaller, and they arrived intact, so I was happy about that. I don't have to deal with any chargebacks or returns or anything. And then I decided to get the matching set in this beige color. I've heard this color named sad beige and popular with millennial and Gen Zers, but I thought it was cute and practical, and I was happy to see it's pretty soft. I'll have to try it on to see what it looks like, but this was it helped balance my box, and so this is what I chose for that. And underneath here I got this True and Luscious lip balm lipstick. This was added later on to a category 6 choice. I think it was 6, and this is just swatched straight out of the package. Okay, so overall I'm super happy with this box. It definitely has some spring vibes for me. I'm excited for my add-ons, even though I didn't go crazy this time because my other one is starting to dry out. I've used it for about a year. My Glamnetic eyeliner and this hairspray I recently just used up on a trip. So very excited to replenish those. I'm excited for these Kate Spade sunglasses because you can see the little spade. I love cat eyes, and they're a good size. Sometimes they're too small for my face when they're cat eyes, but these ones, I'm definitely happy with the inside. It says Kate Spade New York, and they're a nice thick plastic. I got the Privé Revaux, I think that's how you say it, cat eye sunglasses last spring, and those were a lot more flimsy, a lot thinner. These are like truly thick. Yeah, they're cat eyes. I don't know, they might be slightly bigger than I usually go, but I like them. They're a little retro vibey, and it comes with the little dust bag, the green Kate Spade. So yeah, I'm happy with that choice. There was some backlash about these being a category 1 over category 2, but that's what I chose. Let's talk about the lipstick since I still have it swatched on my hand. This was a last minute ad. I didn't see it in the spoilers, and I actually switched for the gel eye bead mask to this because this is a color I love to wear. So here's it swatched on my hand. This is Vintage Rose. I was reading the reviews on it. True and Luscious is the brand, and that it's moisturizing and really like a lip balm. I have pretty dry lips while I put this on, but yeah, I like it. It's a little 90s-y dusty rose color. It's one I would definitely wear just kind of every day. I might add some lip balm to make it less pigmented, I guess. All right, and then the Hanky Panky underwear. It feels really stretchy, like a thicker elastic than just like what you would get at Target, but otherwise, the purple is a little more muted than I thought. I thought it was like a bright blue, bright purple, but yeah, these are, I would add them on again. They feel nice. People swear by that brand. All right, the Sprinkles baking cups. I for some reason thought there was only 6 cups, so I was excited to see that these are for a dozen cupcakes. Really like this pink color, and I love Sprinkles. I don't have one near me anymore, but I like the company, like the founder, Candace Nelson. And this was a fun one. I bake cupcakes several times throughout the year, and so to not have to buy liners and have reusable ones is nice. So that was kind of a practical item for me. All right, this outdoor roundy. I had been seeing this. Ooh, I didn't notice these little snags before, but it is microfiber, kind of like if you got the Lily Pulitzer towel last year or for summer. When I saw them, I thought it was like a placemat sized outdoor roundy. I guess I didn't read the dimensions, but it is actually really big. It's like a circular blanket you can sit on, like a thin towel, and I like the color and the little floral pattern. What is it, like poppies, daisies? I don't know. It's really cute, but it is perfect for spring and into summer, and I will definitely use this. It might be a beach bag staple or just live in my car for the season, but I am happy with it. And of course, these berry bowls I have been waiting for. For some reason, I thought they were in a fall survey that was floating around. I really like this color, this kind of muted mint teal and this like peacocky blue. Strawberry season is my favorite time. One of my favorite times of year when they start selling strawberries from trucks on street corners. Those are the best ones you can buy, better than stores, just locally grown. And I can't wait to have these, just to rinse it and store it in my fridge or have it out set up cutely on a plate this spring. All right, and last but not least is this. I got this because I have a matching set that's a little thicker, like a shorts, but it's like sweater material, and I thought this would be good for spring and summer. I got it in the size large. I'm a size 12 to 14, and just visually it looks kind of big. You can see how thin the material is through the light, but it's very soft, and it doesn't feel like it'll be scratchy or like too thin. It feels nice to sleep in. The shorts larger than I was expecting too. I'm gonna show you how it looks on. There was some feedback, large, extra large, that it looks kind of potato sacky, but I thought it was just a cute neutral, and it makes me wish that I had gotten beige slippers instead of pink ones recently. Okay, so this is what it looks like on a 12 to 14 body. I have the shorts pulled up just below my belly button. I am 5'3" for reference, so yeah, 12 to 14, this is large, extra large. This is exactly how I would want it to fit. It goes down nicely. Yeah, there's maybe some gapping in the front, but this is gonna be super comfy for just lounging around the house, and I am happy with it. I feel like this box was really a good mix of categories for me, which, you know, you always customize what you want, but sometimes I skew too heavily cosmetic or hair care or home goods, but I have things I'm gonna use for baking and kitchenware and practical things to wear, including this, and sunglasses, cat eye, my favorite style. And then this outdoors, we are always on the go, always outdoor. We basically live at the beach and the park in the warmer months. And then the lip balm, lipstick was a nice little cosmetic-y treat myself, because if I didn't have something like that, I might be a little bummed out. But yeah, this box overwhelmingly seemed to get a lot of good feedback. Recent boxes have been kind of receiving more backlash and been disappointing a lot of people, or prompting them to cancel, but I think they're trying to kind of recuperate some of their lost customers. And this one, I think, really hit the mark, and I really like the cake pattern. I think it's super cute. It was for their 10th birthday. But yeah, like I said, it was super fast, super quick shipping, and my last one in my annual, so we'll see what summer looks like, and I'll see what I want to do there. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Overall, coming to the end of my first ever annual year, of FabFitFun subscription. I'm happy with it. I have no major complaints, and I may or may not do it again. I'm on the fence. It just depends what summer looks like. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you're most excited to receive, what you got, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.